is love, can you experience the real high level crown chakra love you talking about? Like traveling through the heart chakra with somebody that's not conscious?
Ultimately, no.
All right.
What can happen is the person that you, because this is some advanced stuff with this one.
Right. That's what I'm thinking on this one.
I'm talking about the way I feel. The thought of me not producing love for her, is murderous.
God damn, D.
I have one desire, and that is to love this sister with every fiber, or she can chain whip my goddamn ass.
Okay.
That's the type of shit I'm talking. This thing is so severe. Until the thought, now we're not talking about murderous in the aspect of, I'm trying to give you the expression. I'm not talking about some insecurity. I'm talking about something that now is your life. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
So that's a whole different thing. Can you get to that level? I think not. It has to be, what I'm talking about can't be explained in human terms because it's very rarely happens on the planet Earth. We're talking about things that's like 1 in a million.
Right.
But I'm at that level. I can't explain it. You have to get to that level, whereas this being compliments you till, in so many words, it is your other self. No separation. Now, you can live without a lot of things, but you can't live without yourself. You see what I'm saying? So that's a whole other thing. We'll get deeper into that particular realm. But as far as, so give or take, let's say if you can, what can you do with a person that's not on that level? The best thing you can do is, by loving that person unconditionally, you're loving yourself, because it's still, again, it's your heart chakra. But on the other hand, you can just kick back and live a life of just being used to each other. A comfort zone, huh?
Ain't that hell a reoccurring?
It definitely is. Well, let's put it this way. If we are doing a tape to get to the ultimate solutions,
that's right,
then that's the same shit everybody else is out here doing.
Yeah, fuck that, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we are trying to encourage people to do the ultimate, and that is to walk away from anything. You see what I'm saying? It's keeping you from a higher level, and sometimes, even if you end up by yourself, it's better than being in some bullshit that you know ultimately ain't gonna never be nothing. Because even if you by yourself, there's the 1/1,000,000th of a chance that there's some possibility. But one thing is definite with a person, you see what I'm saying, that's not in sync and never will be, you're trapped in slavery.
God damn.
You see what I'm saying?
That's it, bro.
I tell anybody, and children, I don't give a damn if they fucking 2 days old, should not be the criteria.
That's right.
Or why you stay. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because children can adapt to anything.
I know I did.
You know what I'm saying? You can't miss, but you can't measure. You see? And there's a bigger esoteric question on that too, but we'll get to that later.